fighting against, either mentally or emotionally in your life at the moment? What if this current circumstance is somehow gifting you with something that you're not right now seeing or that you're not now realizing? How might it lead you auspiciously, divinely, to a new place in your life? What might you learn from it? What is the gift therein? What if everything in your life is exactly as it meant to be now? Stop fighting and let go. And just do it with me for a moment. Just breathe. And feel that effortlessness of the breath coming into your lungs and exiting your lungs. And relax and completely accept things as they are. Because it's what is. You cannot think it differently. You cannot argue it differently. You cannot excuse it differently. You cannot justify it differently. It's what's happening right now. So relax and completely accept things as they are. Know that there's grace in what's taking place. There's always grace. Trust that everything happens for a reason. Your life is proof of it, and that it serves you. Even when you think that this is the most terrible thing, always know that there's a promise that life makes to every one of us, and that is that you will never be given more than you can handle. Not ever. You will not be given more than what you're capable of. Not ever. And you will always receive all the support you need to get through it. So consciously choose to be thankful for life just as it is, and ask for what you need. Ask to be guided by grace. And then, most of all, be good to yourself. Trust yourself and trust the process of your life. Life is your gift, and it's over all too soon. Such is life. Go and have a wonderful day. Blessings. Bye.